This is Isaac with Skyline Softwash, and today I'd like to talk to you about why we work in teams of 2 or more at your home or business. So when doing the Softwash process, we always have one technician who's responsible for the chem wand and one technician who's responsible for the rinse wand. And the reason we do this is because we take extra precautions to make sure that the vegetation around the surface we're cleaning is properly rinsed and protected. So to give you a picture of how this might work, one technician, if we were cleaning siding, would go ahead and pre-wet or pre-dilute the vegetation in front of an area we're going to be cleaning, we'll say siding, before we ever start the cleaning process. Then during the cleaning process, the other technician would go ahead and begin applying the cleaning solution to the siding. At the same time, the rinse wand or the rinse tech is going to be rinsing consistently anywhere that cleaning solution is coming in contact with the vegetation. So they'll work across the wall, across the siding, and then after the cleaning process is done, the rinse tech is going to go back and once again rinse all the vegetation around that area we just cleaned. So by doing this, we ensure that the vegetation is cleaned and any SH that gets on there is removed and diluted as much as possible. So by working in teams of 2, we can make sure that we always have someone that is making sure that the vegetation is taken care of and also stepping back and watching for any spots that could potentially be missed by the applicator with the chem wand. And so this is a huge advantage compared to some companies that might try to go at the job solo, but it's extremely limiting in how you can approach protecting your plants and vegetation and also watching from a distance as that cleaning solution is being applied to make sure no spots are missed. So I hope that answers the question of why we work in teams of 2 or more on a job site. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.